Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw using Bank of America Zelle on iPhone. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Zelle app on your iPhone. If you do not have the Zelle app installed, download it from the App Store. Once the app is open, log in using your Bank of America credentials. Ensure that your Bank of America account is linked to Zelle. In the app, locate the Send Money option on the home screen. Select this option to initiate a transfer. Enter the recipient's email address or mobile number. Confirm the amount you wish to send. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Tap Send to complete the transaction. To check if the money has been withdrawn, navigate to your Activity or Transactions section in the app. Once your transaction is processed, you will receive If you need to withdraw cash from your Bank of America account, locate an ATM near you. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Select Withdraw Cash from the ATM menu. Choose the desired amount to withdraw. Follow the prompts to finalize the transaction. Collect your cash and receipt from the machine. For any issues or concerns, reach out to Bank of America customer support. You have now successfully completed the withdrawal process using Bank of America Zelle on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.